Hello there, you savvy financial minds. Welcome to Smart Dollar Resource, your go-to channel for all things finance and investment. We're all about shedding light on the complex world of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, making it accessible and understandable. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Today we're diving into a very special topic, so buckle up for an insightful journey. Let's unravel the mysteries of the stock market together. Our topic today is the enlightening book titled Warren Buffett and the Interpretation of Financial Statements: The Search for the Company with a Durable Competitive Advantage. This book was penned by Mary Buffett, a former daughter-in-law of Warren Buffett, and David Clark, a renowned investment expert. Together, they have managed to distill the essence of Warren Buffett's genius into a concise, easily digestible format. The book's primary focus is on understanding financial statements, a critical skill for anyone looking to delve into the world of investing. It guides readers on how to identify companies with a durable competitive advantage, a key factor that Warren Buffett himself considers when making investment decisions. The authors use their extensive knowledge and understanding of Warren Buffett's investment strategies to provide insights that are both practical and profound. This book is not just another investment guide. It offers a unique perspective, drawing from the wisdom of one of the greatest investors of our time. This book is a treasure trove of financial insights. Let's dive in. Let's delve into the key takeaways from this insightful book. One of the primary lessons from Warren Buffett and the Interpretation of Financial Statements: The Search for the Company with a Durable Competitive Advantage, is the importance of a strong gross margin. This book emphasizes that a high gross margin is a clear indicator of a company's ability to turn raw materials into profit, without hefty operating costs eating into the bottom line. A company with a consistently high gross margin has a good chance of generating a significant net profit, which can be a strong sign of a healthy investment. Next, we dive into the world of earnings reports. This book demystifies these complex financial documents, teaching us how to read them like a seasoned investor. The authors highlight the importance of looking beyond the headline figures to understand the true financial health of a company. They guide us to focus on long-term trends rather than short-term fluctuations, and to pay close attention to a company's operating income. This is the profit a company makes from its core operations, and it's often a more reliable indicator of financial health than net income. The book also introduces the concept of return on equity, or ROE. This is a measure of how effectively a company uses its shareholders' money. A high ROE can indicate a well-run company that's effective at generating profits. The authors emphasize that a consistently high ROE over a period of 10 years or more can be a strong sign of a company with a durable competitive advantage. Speaking of durable competitive advantage, this is a concept that is central to the book. Buffett and Clark describe it as a unique advantage that allows a company to outperform its competitors year after year. This could be a strong brand, a patent, a unique business model, or simply a superior product. A company with a durable competitive advantage is likely to be a good long-term investment, as it's well-positioned to weather economic storms and come out on top. Finally, the authors stress the importance of a company's ability to generate free cash flow. This is the money a company has left over after it has paid all its expenses and invested in its future growth. A company that consistently generates a positive free cash flow is likely to be financially healthy, and it has more options for rewarding its shareholders, either by paying dividends or by reinvesting in the business to fuel further growth. In summary, Warren Buffett and the Interpretation of Financial Statements: The Search for the Company with a Durable Competitive Advantage, teaches us to look for companies with a high gross margin, a strong operating income, a high return on equity, a durable competitive advantage, and a positive free cash flow. These are the signs of a healthy company that's likely to provide a good return on investment. These lessons, when applied correctly, can be a game changer for your investment portfolio. Like everything in life, this approach to investing also has its pros and cons. Let's dive right into these aspects, shall we? On the bright side, the book Warren Buffett and the Interpretation of Financial Statements: The Search for the Company with a Durable Competitive Advantage gives you a roadmap to make informed investment decisions. It provides you with a set of tools to dissect a company's financial health, a skill that can prove invaluable in the world of investing. It's like having a secret decoder ring that can help you identify undervalued stocks, those hidden gems that can potentially skyrocket your portfolio. Another advantage is that it's rooted in the wisdom of one of the most successful investors of all time, Warren Buffett. By following the principles outlined in this book, you're essentially following the investment strategy of a proven market master. This could be your golden ticket to navigate the often turbulent waters of the stock market. However, every coin has two sides, and this approach to investing is no exception. One of the potential drawbacks is the time commitment required. Understanding and interpreting financial statements isn't something you can master overnight. It calls for a dedication to learning and a willingness to delve deep into the financial world. Additionally, this method requires a basic understanding of financial statements. If terms like balance sheet, income statement, or cash flow statement sound like a foreign language to you, you might need to brush up on your financial literacy before diving into this book. Moreover, while this book provides a solid foundation, it doesn't cover every aspect of investing. There are other factors to consider, such as market trends, economic indicators, and the ever-present element of risk. However, the pros certainly outweigh the cons, especially if you're serious about growing your wealth. With the right mindset, dedication, and this book as your guide, you could be well on your way to becoming a savvy investor. Now, how can you use this knowledge to your advantage? You might wonder. Well, it's all about taking the lessons from the book and applying them to your investment decisions. And here's how. Firstly, aim to make reading financial statements a habit. It's like learning a new language. At first, it may seem overwhelming, but with time and practice, it becomes second nature. Remember, these statements are the lifeblood of a company. They tell you how the business is performing, where the money is going, and whether the company is profitable or not. Secondly, identify companies with a durable competitive advantage. These are companies that have a strong position in their industry and are likely to maintain their success over the long term. This competitive advantage could come from various sources, such as a strong brand, cost advantages, or access to scarce resources. Thirdly, always think long-term. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time and patience to build wealth, so focus on companies that can provide steady returns over the long haul. Finally, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Even Warren Buffett has made his fair share of investment blunders. But the key is to learn from these mistakes and use them as stepping stones towards your financial success. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every step you take gets you closer to your financial goals. So start your journey today, take the plunge, and immerse yourself in the world of financial statements and investing. We've covered a lot of ground today, folks. We dove into the world of Warren Buffett and his interpretation of financial statements. Understanding these statements is like learning a new language, the language of business. And just like any language, it takes practice and patience to master. But once you do, you'll be able to identify companies with a durable competitive advantage. This, in turn, can guide your investment decisions and potentially lead to substantial financial growth. We also discussed the importance of applying this knowledge in a practical manner. It's not just about understanding the concepts, but using them to make informed decisions about your investments. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, the lessons from this book can be a valuable addition to your financial toolkit. Thank you for watching, and remember, the road to financial success is paved with knowledge. So, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on this journey. Until next time, keep learning and investing smartly.